everybody to a new video of mine. As you could have seen, we left the Portimao circuit this morning and we're 3 drivers and 2 trucks. So my colleague drove the first bit. He's now in the other truck and I'm doing the last bit. It's still 300 kilometers to go and I still have to do also a 45-minute break. So it's gonna be more or less 9 o'clock when we're there. Then tomorrow we can take it easy because we park the last in the MotoGP class, so for sure we don't park before 4, maybe even later. So we have all the time in the world to go to the truck wash and to relax because there's nothing much we can do. And for now, hope you guys enjoy the rest of my video. See you guys later. Very good morning from the Valencia circuit. Yesterday we arrived at 9:30 at the hotel. I went straight to the restaurant and then straight to bed really. I was completely destroyed. For now we already did the truck wash this morning and I'm now in the paddock just to see the hospitality guys. They're there setting up the hospitality. And we still have to wait quite some time because we parked there in 21:22 and so it's not gonna be before 4 o'clock, so we have some time to kill. At least the weather is really beautiful at the moment, so can't complain about that. Let's wait a little bit. Today is Thursday and we are done pretty early. We already started the bikes and everything. And yeah, now we wanted to do a lap on the track. But yeah, we did not get any further than turn 3 and they want to do some laps with cars. So yeah, we have to go off the track. So back to the pit box and I think back to the hotel and we're done. So apparently somebody's retiring after this weekend. Valentino Rossi, you might have heard of him. And well, they put all kinds of things in place to celebrate his career.